Hey everyone! Welcome back to FinTech Pulse. When you hear the word blockchain, you probably think of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But did you know blockchain technology has uses far beyond crypto? Today, we're exploring how blockchain is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, supply chain, voting, and more. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about supply chains. Blockchain is a game changer for tracking products from origin to consumer. Companies like Walmart and IBM are using blockchain to ensure transparency and authenticity. For example, you can scan a QR code on a product and see its entire journey, where it was made, how it was transported, and more. This reduces fraud, ensures quality, and builds trust with consumers. Next, let's look at healthcare. Patient data is incredibly sensitive, and blockchain can make it more secure. With blockchain, medical records can be stored in a decentralized way, meaning only authorized parties can access them. This reduces the risk of data breaches and ensures your information stays private. Companies like Medical Chain are already making this a reality. Step 3 is all about digital identity. Did you know over 1 billion people worldwide lack a legal form of identification? Blockchain can help by creating secure, tamper-proof digital IDs. These IDs can be used for everything from opening a bank account to voting in elections. Projects like Microsoft's ION and the World Food Programme's Building Blocks are leading the way in this space. Now let's talk about smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms written directly into code. They automatically enforce agreements, eliminating the need for middlemen. For example, a real estate transaction can be completed faster and more securely using blockchain. Platforms like Ethereum and Solana are making smart contracts accessible to businesses worldwide. Finally, let's talk about voting. Blockchain can make elections more transparent and secure. By recording votes on a blockchain, we can ensure they can't be tampered with. This builds trust in the democratic process. Countries like Estonia are already experimenting with blockchain-based voting systems, and it's only a matter of time before this becomes mainstream. And there you have it, 5 incredible ways blockchain is being used beyond crypto. From supply chains to healthcare, digital IDs to voting, blockchain is transforming the world as we know it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.